Hey you guys, got you over here at Bald Mountain in Colorado. We're looking west. Today's date is 02/24/2025. Oh my god, would you look at it? Wow. It's huge. Look at the weird patterns on it. How do we know it's not a reflection of the sun? The sun takes 28 days, approximately 27 to 28 days to rotate once. This object just got a quick spin on it. Check it out. It's rotating every 5 hours. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think about this. What is it? What are we looking at here? It's getting ready to set in the west. It rises in the southeast. Usually if you look at this particular cam, Bald Mountain, in the morning you can catch it in the southeast. Okay you guys, I've got some insane footage for you here. Same date, 2/24/2025. We're at Wolf Creek Pass, Colorado, looking south. Are you seeing that? There are two objects. There is one in front of the other. Oh my God. What in the hell is going on here? Are you guys seeing that? And I noticed today when I looked out at the sun, not directly, but using the house as part of a blind or a filter, that there was a rainbow around the sun. Did anybody else notice that today? A huge rainbow around the sun. I have this book, it's called the Book of Miracles, and it talks about the year 1514 and like 15 through 1535, and all the crazy things that we are seeing in the sky were happening back then, like the halos, the sundogs, the double, triple, like halo around the sun with arcs above it, complete arcs going all the way out in front of the sun and touching the other side. I have to pull that book out and take some pictures and do a short video on that for you guys. Let me know in the comments below if you want to see that. It's called the Book of Miracles. Some strange stuff was going on, just like now. It shows the sundogs. It shows blood rain was happening back then. Weird stuff going on with the moon. Oh, and it showed 3 suns. One day there appeared 3 suns in the sky. And all of it was recorded. So yeah, I just wanted to zoom out so you guys can see on the bottom there that it is clicking through the frames, and that I'm not doing anything jicky with the footage. So yeah, what do you guys think? Does that not appear like there's two objects? Look at it. Looks like you've got one in the back. And then this one in the front. Or is it just me? And that's Tabletop Mountain in Colorado. Correct me if I'm wrong. And look at all the color. Wow. Man, I'm gonna have to get this loaded up for you guys to watch right away. That's just crazy looking. I've never seen it look like that. I don't remember it ever looking like that. And look how they spray. And those trails go right in front. And it glares it out just enough, I think. That not only that, these things, they must cloak themselves. They have some kind of shield that we can't see them from the ground. But the cameras can see through the shield, I think. And that's why we're catching it like this. And you see this thing, it's rotating, you guys. These craters, you can look at these craters and they're booking it across the surface. Okay, see that one? I followed it all the way across. It's gone. That happened in 4 hours? That crater went all the way across the surface. Watch, I'll follow one with my finger. Or the pointer. Yeah, did you see that? And look, it's like going horizontal. And then it just starts dropping down real quick. Watch it. Wow. I don't know, you guys. Is it Planet X? Is it Nibiru? How come if it is one of those planets, it's been there for so long? It's been there a minute, you know? Like a year or two. Looks closer to me. What do you guys think about that? Do you think it's closer? Let me know in the comments below, you guys. Alright, moving on. You guys, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to share. And comment below, okay? Raven out.